What's up, family? Welcome back. Today we in the studio with another banger for y'all. Y'all see I removed the intro. We doing a whole like revamp, rebranding. I'ma do a new intro, switch the profile picture. We coming back strong. Trust me, soon. Like it's coming sooner than you think. But leave a like, subscribe to the channel because we got more shit coming, more content. Today we're going over all my sneakers, cops, everything I purchased throughout my history of sneakers. You feel me? There's been L's floating left and right. Trust me, they've been coming and going out here. But there's been a lot of W's in the building too. I'm not gonna lie, I've gotten a lot of success on Nike sneakers, speaking it into existence, more success to come, and success is gonna keep coming my way. Today I'm talking about everything that I have cooked up, some L's I've taken by selling a pair that honestly I could have made a good amount of profit on, low key. I even got a free pair from Nike one time. Let's just go ahead and get into it. This is gonna be in no specific order. The first sneaker y'all see up here is the Jordan 11 Breads. I got these from Snkrs app, you feel me? Not gonna show them too much. I might do a collection video soon, bro. It's been a while. I even moved out of my mama house and I gotta do a new collection for y'all, but I need love. Like, in order for me to do an updated collection, it's been a minute. It's gonna take a while. But and got the Jordan 11 Breads, hard sneaker, ever so fortunate. I knew off the gate I was never selling these shits. I remember seeing these a while ago, to be honest, and hey, never gonna let these bitches go. The first 11s I got were the Space Jams, and low-key they kind of beat. I might ice the sole again. If y'all want to see a video on that, let me know. Second up, we had the Fearless Jordan 1s. Honestly, not my most favorite Jordan 1 just because of the material on it, the patent leather. I do think it's a sick ass combination and they do look fire with fits, but honestly I don't know if I'll end up keeping these long term. I might go ahead and trade 2 of these Jordan 1s for a pair of Chicagos and just add some cash on top. These go hard, but they're gonna turn into something harder in the future. I gotta trade these for some heat though if I trade them. Next we got the Shattered Backboard 3.0s. I ended up selling these simply because I didn't really like the patent leather once again, and they were DS, so I was like, fuck it, let me go ahead and sell them. I'm pretty sure I used the money for something good. I don't remember if this was around the time where I stacked up all my bread and bought a car, which I never even made car videos, bro. Slacking. Like, I had so many missed opportunities, trips and all. Like, bro, after the Shattered Backboard 3.0s, we had the Obsidian Jordan 1s. From the gate, off the get-go, I knew these bitches was gonna go, bro. I love the black toe Jordan 1, so when you're putting that with the Carolina blue navy and you slapping cream in between slight bars, it's a problem. Like, these shits is hard. I knew it. These were sitting at like $240 for mad long. Look at the prices now on these bitches. You talking $500-600 minimum on them, bro. Hard body. I'm probably never selling these. I love these, but I need black toes too, bro. Like, I'm coming for those 2 sneakers. Black toes and Chicago 1s. Need those in my collection. Snkrs app knows what's up with the Jordan 11s. They don't let me down. We got the Concord 11s W on Snkrs app. I don't know if it's something about the holiday, or maybe there's 2 million pairs, who knows, but I got these hoes. Hey, for retail you can't go wrong. I haven't pulled these out in a minute. You can never go wrong with a pair of Concord 11s. These are a staple. Play a clip of MJ in the Jordan 11 Concords. Hey, I'm telling y'all, bro, he used to be killing shit back in the day. Jordan 11s, Concords for retail on the Snkrs app. Great way to start the holidays. And I'm gonna get the Jordan 11s cool grays for the holidays too. Coming soon. Hold up. Honestly, I got another picture, but there's a whole different set of sneakers right here. On this one, we got the Toro Bravos, which I recently ended up selling. Honestly, the shape on the new Jordan 5s isn't the best in my opinion. I got my off-white Jordan 5s. I do want to re-up on a couple older Jordan 5s, but the Toro Bravos definitely didn't have to stay in my collection. Had to let those go, not gonna lie. Next, we had the University Blue Jordan 1s. These are actually bangers. If it was out of these or the Hyper Royals, I would still go Hyper Royals. If y'all know what I'm talking about, these both came out around the same time, kind of the same sneaker. I would still rather those, but these do go hard though. University Blue, especially for retail, can't go wrong. Thank you, sneaker gods, for blessing me with another pair for retail. These RDS, these might get towed up, I'm not gonna lie. After that, low-key, I got on a little roll on Snkrs app. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I was hitting left and right, and I don't even remember what order it was in, but I kind of think that this is what started it. I was hitting like one a a month type shit until the Raging Bulls came out. Then when these dropped, I hit on the Pollen Jordan 1s first. So boom, Pollen Jordan 1s. Love them with the white laces. Somebody on Instagram told me to try the white laces and I tried it, bro, and they go hard. Like, they go hard with the white, honestly. I love the pop and it just ties it together with the white on the outsole. Honestly, think I'm gonna keep these. I was debating it at first, but I don't really have anything yellow and they do go with what I got right now. Definitely a color that I'm trying to include more in my collection. That's kind of why I want the Lightning 4s. These go hard. Shout out to Snkrs again for blessing me on these. I just need the Jordan 11 cool grays. But yeah, Pollen Jordan 1s, retail, Snkrs. Shout out to the Snkrs app. Let me know what was your latest cop on the Snkrs app, or what were your latest 3 cops. If you have 3, you feel me, let me know. Mind you, these are throughout years of cooking up, so don't think I'm out here hitting every time. Like, I'm not that person. I've paid resale for out of my W Street the second. I look hella LA. The second W was the undefeated dunks, bro. I got the undefeated dunks for retail. Honestly, I wasn't gonna keep these. My girl said they look nice, so I was like, yo, I'm gonna try them out, bro. I'm gonna try them out. Honestly, I was gonna sell these and get like some Curry dunks, but those are kind of bread right now too, though. Like, I do like the undefeated on the back. Nike right there, undefeated on the tongue. These do go hard. For retail on Snkrs, can't complain, bro. If I could hit for retail, we vibing. I'll keep growing my collection for retail. I'm not trying to pay resale though. Like, that's where shit gets steep, you know? The next one is possibly my most hyped pickup off the Snkrs app ever type shit. The only collab sneaker I've gotten is this right here. And it's the Nike Off-White Dunks. There was a billion of these bitches to go around. So it makes sense why I got a pair. As you can see right there, I did get early access simply because of the homies at the kitchen, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, I got blessed with like 3 to 4 of these sneakers because of the homies at the kitchen. Like, low-key, they blessed me with that cluster. For these, they posted there was early access. I didn't really get hit up or anything, but since I was on the app scrolling down, like I was refreshing that bitch at the time, they let me in, you feel me? And I ended up getting lot number 4. These bitches do go hard, black tongue and shit. Out of all the pairs I've seen, this is one of my favorites. I really wish it was suede, but hey, it is what it is. Beggars can be choosers, you feel me? I hit for retail. If I was to switch these, I'd probably switch it for a suede pair, not gonna lie to y'all. Still go hard though, staying in the collection for sure. And the last one on this little list right here is the Lightning Jordan 4s. I do have that pair still, but they're in the stacks over there. They're not my size, so they're not in the collection. I still need my size low-key, but I don't really want to sell this GS pair because I feel like they're gonna go up in the future, so I'm gonna just hold off and see what those do, but I still gotta pick up my pair. Thankfully though, the Snkrs gods blessed me on the Lightning 4s. It was just GS. Hey, it is what it is. These are gonna go up in the future though, so I'm not even tripping low-key. And then I also did hit on the Jordan 11 cool grays. Once again, not my size, but I did get a GS pair. So hey, those are coming in for a review. Possibly gonna do the same thing where I just hold them off, see what the prices do in the future, but I still need my pair, so I'm coming after that shit. Like, I still need the size 10 or 10.5 Jordan 11 cool gray. Coming in Snkrs app, wherever y'all want, Foot Locker, I'm coming for all that shit. I need the Jordan 11 cool grays and I'm gonna get the Jordan 11 cool gray. Before we could close out this video, there's 2 sneakers that I did hit, but it was on like some other account, and honestly one of the sneakers isn't even some shit I ordered. The bitch showed up on my door and they was ugly as fuck, so I sold them, you feel me? I think there should be a clip somewhere. I got them, I sold them for like $236. They're on StockX right here. I made like $215 or some shit like that. Free money, bro. I ain't even ordered these shits, came through the mail, sold them. Easy $215. I don't even know what I did with it, but hey, that shit came in and it was shipped the fuck out. And we also did get my biggest loss, which was the UNC, the patent leather joints that they released for women. These released like a little while ago, low-key, but I sold them for $232, bruh. $232. And they going for $642. What the fuck? I lost like $400. Crazy, bruh. Like, crazy shit, crazy. That's my biggest L on sneakers, period. Normally I keep all my sneakers, but being that these weren't even my size, I was just trying to get a size, like whatever the fuck I get. Tried for my size, I think, couldn't get it, so I said fuck it, let me go down a little bit. And I ended up hitting, I think I sold them to buy my whip. Stupid, bro. I could have got that money from somewhere else. Stupid, bro. Like, I could have made triple my money. Not even, because I spent like one something on the sneakers. I made like $6 $65. I could have made $450. Just hold on to your shit, bro. Just hold on to your shit, like, to be honest. But that pretty much does it for this video, bro. Let me know what y'all cooked up on the Snkrs app recently. What's your 3 recent pickups, if you even got 3, bro? If not, you might as well create a new account, because your shit is jinxed, bro. Like, just go ahead and get a new one and try from there. But if y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel, click them post notification bells. I'm gonna come with a new intro soon, you feel me? I'm trying to rebrand that whole shit, and hey, I'm gonna catch y'all, bro. Peace, stay up, we out.